Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to finish Catacomb 4. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to finish it.
This all-terrain mech of destruction comes fully loaded with power steering, AC, jumbo-sized drink holders, and
oh my goodness, jumbo-sized drink holders.
Small star system. Team Darkstar's not out for a Sunday drive today, folks. They'll be blazing a trail right into the center of the Catacomb Burial Dome.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker's mortars to destroy those quasar orbs. That should clear the way.
Really, Clank? Oh, thanks for the hint. I didn't know that. Yeah, actually, I knew that. I have to kill that turret thingy that's been operated by I don't know what. Yeah, you're right. Go to a friend's house. And I mean, seriously. How many times do you think it will take me? Seriously. I'm busy almost 1 minute. I'm really slow. Seriously, I can easily finish it faster. Okay, next up. Oh, then. Oh my goodness. I'm out of jokes. I'm out of jokes! I'm out of jokes.
This carnage, folks, but it's time for the final showdown in the Catacomb Burial Dome. There's no telling what lurks inside these walls.
Ratchet,
Grandma? Grandpa? Oh my goodness. Uncle
Bernie!
Bernie! No! Not Uncle Bernie. I hated him. Sorry, Granny. Grandpa. Oh my goodness. Well, those things. Are they ducks? Like they're mutant ducks or something. Teenage Mutant Duckies. Teenage Mutant Duckies. Yeah, Teenage Mutant Ducks. Yeah, die! Oh, Uncle. And And Bunny. I killed her. Yay! I killed her! I killed Aunt Bunny! Yay! Oh my goodness! Unstoppable. Yeah, I'm unstoppable.
Terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, are we? Hey, Green! That zombie looks like your mom!
Yeah, what can I say? That I love zombies. I love zombies. Good, I got a hacker ray. Oh my goodness.
You have completed your first trip.
Yeah, let's do hoverbike madness. Because that's just how I play this game.
Will earn him a few extra seconds. Team Darkstar, get ready to race.
Oh my goodness. I almost fell in the water. Yippee! Ow, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he made it. Oh, that was a good move. This is Need for Speed Deadlocked. Well, probably we do, because I'm almost finished. Here I am. Yeah, don't miss. Oh my goodness. Oh, do I have it? Yeah, I had it. Yeah, I had it. Okay, now let's finish this. Whoa, whoop, and let's finish. Chase the goose. Really chase the goose. Right, Destruction Derby. That's next up. Oh, wait, no, not this challenge. I want Monument of Death. I want Monument of Death. Not that one. I hate that one. Okay. First up, ammo, obliterator, Napalm mod. That is such a great combination. Now let's
To
put.
add, modify, or change an Omega mod, scroll down.
Then we'll have to destroy 3 ancient statues all in a matter of minutes. You gotta love it.
Yeah, we'll have to do this in a matter of minutes. Just to keep myself on that limit. Hey, that's almost decapitated Hank. And there goes the monument. Oh, sorry. Not. Perfect mod. Oh my goodness. I am a genius. I'm a genius in making mods. That's what he said. Okay, now Jake is a genius in mod. No. No. No, of course not. He said I could make the perfect mod. Oh, 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 oh.
If Ratchet was a tough cookie, what kind of cookie would he be? I'm gonna go with Snickerdoodle.
Yeah, go with Snickerdoodle. I think it's Snickergoo, actually. Well, they remove helmet. Cheat. No, don't take up. There we have it. There goes another monument. Oh my goodness. Alright, the last one. And then I'm finally off of Catachrome 4. And then I hate Catachrome 4. No, I don't hate Catachrome 4. I only dislike Catachrome 4. I don't hate it. No, I dislike it. Okay, now I'm pissed off.
Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic brand X skeleton is definitely jiggling.
Hey, that was a lick. There we go, last monument. Can I already go off of this planet? No! I have to do another challenge. Oh my goodness. The destruction derby.
It's time to hop into the land stalker. Take out as many enemies as you can.
One of your combat bots is incapacitated. Use the revive command to
Use
bring
the
him back to life. Your bots accumulate attack power each time they take a hit or deal damage. When the power meter reaches full, you can order them to deliver a devastating special attack.
Folks, just a reminder, tomorrow is Kick Your Best Friend in the Pants Day. Free
Hey!
popcorn for everyone who participates.
Yeah, I will participate because I just want free popcorn. Oh man, almost thought I will screw this up. And I did it! Well, that's the maximal ending. Oh my goodness, what a great song. Can't hear anything. Can't hear it. Yay! Can't hear it.
Can be completed in any order once they are unlocked. Your status on Dread Zone now allows you to access planet Serathos.
Okay, now that's the end of Catachrome 4 actually. Well, till we're on Serathos.